Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or Fi Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about Chipotle Mexican Grill. And I did call the top on Chipotle Mexican Grill, as a matter of fact, in my written blog. If you guys want to check it out, go to www.fitrade.com and then search Chipotle Mexican Grill. But I basically called the top at around 440. It's currently trading at 374 right now. And I basically did the calculation where the furthest it's fallen below the 20-day moving average would be the highest extension it will ever reach above that 20-day moving average. And that's where it basically started to pull back. It got a little too extended on the charts. And now people are, at least according to the Seeking Alpha article that I read I think yesterday, people are basically inventing reasons to sell Chipotle Mexican Grill. Some people noted competitive factors or competition, such as competition from Taco Bell on their new Cantina menu, or perhaps competition from Qdoba, another Mexican restaurant chain. But to me, all these things have, I mean, to me, it doesn't really, make that much sense because the Taco Bell, having Taco Bell come around the corner and do what Chipotle Mexican Grill does is most likely not going to take customers away from Chipotle Mexican Grill, mainly because Chipotle makes healthy and all-natural foods. But then there was a recent lawsuit complaint saying that perhaps Chipotle doesn't make all natural or doesn't serve all natural food necessarily. However, it doesn't change the fact that Chipotle Mexican Grill is still growing rapidly. They do have really strong growth. What I do disagree, what I do also agree with is that perhaps this could be a correction, just because any sign of negative news in a high growth stock, people will just sell it and try to take their profits. I mean, I saw the stock all the way down at 90, 100, $125 per share, and now it's trading at around 374 and into that 440 range. And this is because people, I guess really like and support the brand. The company's growth is excellent. All these factors match up. And right now, since a couple issues, or issues that we or Wall Street, or people in general, or analysts have invented, like supposed competition, Chipotle Mexican Grill stock is being sold continuously. Now, again, it comes across to me as all these competitive factors seem to be priced in back at 440. It really doesn't make sense that these competitive factors would be an issue right now. And because it doesn't seem like that big of an issue, I think that eventually Chipotle Mexican Grill will eventually bottom out at that 200-day moving average, and people are going to buy it. They're going to buy it at the 200-day moving average or this bottom trend line, but since they coincide either way, this is where that's going to be bought up. And this is just one of those opportunities where you get to buy high growth, high quality stocks at a pretty decent discount. Now, of course, I won't say, oh, those competitive factors don't really matter. I think they do matter. But I think that Chipotle Mexican Grill is still a pretty compelling investment opportunity based on the growth prospects and how much international growth opportunities they have yet to experience. Plus, they also have different types of business models they can pursue, like their recent Chinese food version of Chipotle Mexican Grill, all natural Chinese food or something like that, or Asian cuisine. So, Chipotle Mexican Grill has a lot of potential still. I think personally, this is just my opinion, based on the fundamentals. I think the stock is just being sold off because there was too much demand. Um, Too much demand. The market sentiment was too strong, and it wasn't sustainable. Now it's pulling back. But remember, guys, growth stocks are stocks that tend to pull back and then they continue to trend higher. This could just be seen as a seasonal pullback or a temporary correction before the stock continues to trend higher. So keep that in mind when trading growth companies, and because it is a growth company, it is very, very wise to just sit back and acquire shares and cost average into names like these, rather than just throwing out blanket reasons like, oh, Taco Bell has created the Cantina menu and that's the reason why the stock is selling off. No, the stock is selling off mainly because of the fact, again, market participants just want to take their profits. And once the profit taking has been completed, and I think it's going to be done maybe at around the 200-day moving average, then you'll most likely see the stock continue to trend higher. So as long as they're able to meet earnings expectations, which will most likely happen. So take care, folks. You guys have a wonderful trading session, and we'll talk more soon.